If you keep waiting for life to change, you'll wait forever. Peace begins the moment your mindset does. Most people believe their suffering is caused by circumstances. A different job, a different partner, a different city, then they'll feel calm. Stoicism dismantles this illusion. The problem is rarely the situation itself, but the meaning you attach to it. Until the mind changes, life repeats its lessons. Epictetus stated this clearly: it is not events that disturb us, but our judgments about them. When you expect control where none exists, frustration follows. When you resist reality instead of responding to it, peace becomes conditional. A Stoic seeks freedom not by rearranging life endlessly, but by mastering interpretation. Psychologically, the mind craves novelty as an escape. New environments create temporary relief because attention shifts. But unresolved patterns travel with you. The anxious mind relocates anxiety. The dissatisfied mind recreates dissatisfaction. Without inner adjustment, change becomes a loop, not a solution. Observe your habits of thought. Do you postpone peace until goals are met? Do you believe happiness lies one achievement ahead? This mindset converts life into a waiting room. Stoicism teaches presence over postponement. Fulfillment is not a future reward, it is a disciplined way of seeing now. Consider a real-life example. Someone leaves a relationship hoping freedom will heal them. The space feels liberating at first. Soon, restlessness returns. The external shift worked briefly, but the inner narrative remained untouched. The Stoic response is not regret, but insight: the work was never outside. Stoic practice centers on internal order. Marcus Aurelius reminded himself daily to focus only on what lay within his control: thoughts, actions, values. When attention stabilizes here, external chaos loses its authority. Life may remain imperfect, but the mind stops amplifying discomfort into suffering. Here is the actionable practice. Each morning, write down one expectation you are placing on the world to make you feel okay. Then rewrite it as a responsibility you can carry instead. This simple shift retrains the mind from dependency to agency. You do not need a new life. You need a mind that can stand calmly inside the one you already have. When perception changes, circumstances lose their grip. And this is the quiet power of Stoicism: not escape, but inner sovereignty.